Good, good morning for Miss Dene and Miss Yus as examiner and Mr. Lid as a mentor for final project one, the first final project with the first final project with the title is hybrid filtering for system recommendation book with algorithm KNN. Uh, the first I want to tell about data preprocessing. The first progress of before to analysis the data in web 3 and 4. We for the first is preprocessing data. In preprocessing data aims to reduce the number of vocabulary and uniform word forms so that the data is more structured. The data preprocessing consists of several stages, starting from lower caching, tokenizing, stop removal, and stemming. This the step or stage to data preprocessing before data is used to our method. And I want to tell you about the first method. The first method is content-based. Content-based is the section will explain the working mechanism of content-based filtering is making a recommendation. The content-based filtering is used to provide a recommendation from the similarity between items. In this in this case, items is books and books accessed by the user. Book that we have accessed will build a profile of the user. Similarity between the items can be seen from the item description compared to other description. And the second method we one I want to combine is this collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering is the section describe how collaborative is in providing recommendation. Item-based collaborative filtering provide recommendation based on item characteristic. Items that have a value deserved from the behavior of user who have access in them. Collaborative filtering is the main is user access the item, get the delivered value for the item from they read a book or they access the book or they like or not or others, but it means to access the item. And this steps is defined into three steps. The first stage is we prepare the data, and the second is to calculate the similarity with the person correlation to get the similarity between item and item from the use user access and get get the algorithm kind and to collaborative stage. We combine the KNN in collaborative filtering and they give the recommendation the last recommendation rating before the error calculate. After we after we get the KNN algorithm, the last recommendation rating is the final rating. uh in web 4 discuss about design. uh Maybe it's the two we have the two design, but we combine it to one. It means to hybrid recommendation. In this case, they combine the two methods, content based and collaborative. Content based combine the collaborative to make one better system. In this study, the authors use content-based and collaborative filter technique to produce recommendation for the hybrid recommender system, which combines the two or more recommendation system technique with the aim of making one technique superior and covering the weakness of other techniques so as the produce recommendation that fit the needs. This is uh, a hybrid design is in this section. The content-based and collaborative is have been combined with kind and algorithm which run sequentially, starting from the content-based then to collaborative. Uh, the sequentially stage we can see in the picture this. We start from the content-based filtering from data set, split the data preprocessing like lower casing, streaming, and etc. And get the data from the user. Count the TDEF in content-based filtering to get the similarity and to build the profile of user and predict the item rating. After that, in rating, the similarity of rating can get the spare or yeah, can get the spare of the empty spare of matrix, and after that uh, we can go to collaborative filtering, like we count the nilai the similarity from person correlation. We get the similarity, the bigger similarity of the I between items, then we get to kind and algorithm, then an evaluation the error of rating the first and rating recommendation from hybrid, and then we generate the new prediction and end the in the in my for my final project I design like this, and it's the end of my presentation. For the change and the attention, I say thank you.